What's up guys? It's been a while since I have created a tutorial on my channel, and today I will show you how to create your own email server using OLS panel on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So you just need to have a domain. So I have one domain here, and of course a VPS with Open Port 25. And if you don't know which hosting accepts Open Port 25, I will list or I will put the link on the description. So let's get started. First, we will add a record. So we will copy our IP address and we will add a record for our domain. So I'll put at, and the value is the IP address, and we will add another IPv6. So this is the IPv6. We will use at, and we will go to our reverse DNS. So this is our IPv6. And we will paste it here and just click save. And we will add a record. We will add another a record for our mail. Sorry about that. This is our IPv4. And as well as our IPv6. That will be mail. Okay, let's save. Then for our MX record, we will set our hostname to mail.webchunks.store. You can do that by clicking this pencil icon on Dart node and just put it here. So the value is mail.webchunks.store. Priority is 10 and TTL is automatic. Back to our RDNS record, we will set this to mail. And wait for a few minutes or hour maybe for this reverse DNS to propagate. Okay, let's go back to our VPS. So now everything is good. We will now install OLS panel and let's connect to our VPS. Okay, now let's open our Bitwise. So this is free, and we'll connect first to our VPS. Use your public IP here and choose port 22 and just click login. Accept and save. And I'll just quickly copy my password here. And click new terminal console. And you can see here our host name is set to mail. So just copy this command to update your system. And now let's install OLS panel. So just copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. And we will wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. So now we have successfully installed OLS panel. We will access our panel here. Let's open this in a new tab. Okay, go to advanced and we will just proceed. And we will log in using this username and password given. So that will be admin. And welcome to your OLS panel. Okay, first, our OLS panel is not secure. So we will access this with a domain. So let's add a user first. So go to users, add user. We will put our domain here. Okay, so we will select 8.5. Okay. We'll put our first name and last name, and we will add our email address. So for the package, we'll use unlimited. So our password is, so be sure to set a secure password here. This is just for a demo, so we will add a user. Now we will add a subdomain. So let's go to domains, click domains, and we will add domain. So we will select a user and we will enter our domain. That will be panel.webshop.store, and just select a PHP version. And we will add this panel to our domain records. So we will add a new record first. So that will be panel. And just copy this IP before and click save. So now we have a panel subdomain, and we will click add domain and just click add domain. Now let's go back to dashboard. Then scroll down and you can see here under security table, you can see here panel SSL. So just click this one. We will select a domain. We will select the subdomain and we will just click save. We can now access our OLS panel securely, and we will log in using the same credentials. So it will be admin. So now our OLS panel is secure. We will now proceed to setting up the email server. So let's go to domains, go to DNS, and we will use this primary domain. We'll click manage, and here you can see all DNS records. So now let's start with the SPF. So okay, we will just move this one. Okay, we will copy this SPF. Okay, we'll copy this one and we'll add a text record. So click add new record, choose text record. Okay, for the host, it will be at, and paste the value here. And we will add the IPv6 to our SPF. So we'll just copy the IPv6 here. You can also go back to your VPS to copy your IPv6. So that will be IP6. Okay. And we will just save this one. Then our DMARC. Okay, we'll copy this one. We'll add a text record. Paste the host here. And for the value, just copy this one. Okay, paste it here and click save. And now for our DKIM, just copy this one. Add new record. Choose text record. Paste your host here. And copy the value of your DMARC. So be sure you don't copy extra spaces here. Click save. Okay, and we are done. And now we will go to users and we will log in using the user account because we cannot create an email for security reasons using an admin account. So we will log in. Just click login. Scroll down. You can see here email and just click email account. Click create email and be sure to choose the domain. Okay, let's say John and enter a secure password. You can also generate a secure one and just click submit. Okay, if you see this error, just refresh this one and go back to email and you have created an email. So for now, there is no webmail for OLS panel. I think this is in progress. And also if you can check the mail, so there is none here. So they can just enable webmail on the users. So we will open Thunderbird instead and we will log in using our email account. Okay, John Shanks. And we will put the email we have created. And paste the password and just click continue. Okay, just click done. Okay, click finish. Okay, now let's test our email server. So let's go to mail tester. Okay, so we will just copy this recipient. Let's go back to Thunderbird. Click new message. Okay, for subject, I'll just say hi, hello, and we'll just send. Then we will check our score. And we got a 10/10 for our OLS panel. So now you can try sending to Gmail. So let's try to Gmail. Okay, I will use an email template here. Okay, and we will send to Gmail. Okay, let's open our Gmail. Okay, it went to spam and you can warm up your email server to improve deliverability. So just click report not spam. Okay, we just received this email from our OLS panel email server. So let's try to reply if we can receive the reply. Okay, I'll be there. Okay, let's wait for the email to be received here on our Thunderbird. Okay, we just received this one. Wait, I'll be there. So that's it. This is how to install OLS panel and set up its email server feature. So OLS panel can also host WordPress websites, and I will create a separate tutorial for that. So if you have any questions, just put them down on the comment section and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.